Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Karen Prince. Today I'm going to show you guys how I like to style my 171 pound 5'4" body. Stay tuned. So first we're going to start with these shorts in this black blouse. Okay, this is an open cow neck, and guys, what I like to do is I like to take my shirt and tuck it into my shorts just to expose that waistline a little bit, because I like to highlight my waist area, and I just make sure I tuck it in so that it's not bulging out too much and let the rest of the shirt fall over to the side. And with every outfit I will be wearing these same strappy black heels. Okay, so since I like to cover up my legs, especially the back view, I like to wear dusters. Okay, so this is what I have here, just this green long duster, and I think it's just so cute. Also guys, something that I love to do, I love to go ahead and scrunch up my sleeves. So I like to fold them back because I feel like it just contours my body a little bit more, gives a little bit more definition in the arms, especially when I'm layering clothing. But that's it for this look, guys. I absolutely love this look. Okay, on to look 2. Now, I love a good play suit. Okay, I love this one especially because of the color blocking detail. I love the bright colors. I love the fabric. It's easy, it's breezy, it's very lightweight. I love the way it fits on my body. Another thing I love about the structure of this play suit is the fact that it's a wide leg at the end, and I love the movement in the legs that it gives you when you walk. It just feels very free. Okay, and also at night, or if you want to layer this up, I just went ahead and threw on the green duster on top of that just to give it a little bit more dimension and definition. So either or, whatever one, I love both ways. Okay, look number 3, another colorful outfit. Okay, this one is a striped button down oversized dress. So I'm just gonna button this all the way until I reach the bottom, except for the last 2 buttons. I'm not going to button those because I'm actually going to go ahead and tie this dress right here. You want to make sure the knots are tight but not pulling on the dress too much. So once again, I'm just rolling up my sleeves, guys, and that is going to complete this look. Also wanted to mention this outfit is also lightweight. The fabric feels good on my skin and it's just very free. Okay, here we go. Look number 4. Okay, so I just have this bright red graphic t-shirt. It's actually one of my favorites, paired with these denim shorts right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go ahead and grab this black sheer duster, and I'm going to layer that on top. And just like always, I'm going to roll those sleeves up because I just love to. Okay, so yes, and that was a quick look for me. This completes the look here. I like outfits like this when I get invited out, but I don't want to get too dressy. So that's an option for you if you like to do that too. Now, look number 5, the last final look, is a dressier look. Okay, so I just have some black slacks, that same black shirt from earlier, tucked it in. Okay, now actually I like to go ahead and roll up my pants at the end, so I just fold those a couple of times. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and add the black blazer on top to complete the look. Now guys, with any of these outfits, you can always interchange your makeup, your hair, your accessories and shoes and things like that. I just want to give you a basis of how I like to style my body with my weight in my shape. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had fun making it. If you like videos like this, please leave a comment down in the comment section, and I'll see you later, guys. Bye.